At Thermo King, I think the whole mission is about improving the quality of life. It's about helping customers to do their job. Their mission is to move product that's temperature critical for a customer of theirs. Our mission is to make that simple and easy for them to do. One of the images that I often talk to our people about to try to inspire them is I want every child in the world to have an ice cream cone. And that happens because of Thermo King. I want every employee in our company to be thinking about how their mission and their role is responsible and helps to make that happen. Behind the scenes, there's thousands of Thermo King employees and dealers working to make sure that it's that simple.
So how much do I think about transport refrigeration? I think about it a lot.
We have folks who've spent their entire careers, up to 46 years, focused on. It is what we live and breathe.
My great-grandfather actually owned the first dealership here in Minnesota. I'll be fourth generation.
We are staying ahead always to make sure that when our customers need the solution, we have it already.
Thermo King is the premier product.
That's because the value we provide to you from the cost of ownership in terms of maintenance costs, fuel costs, and also residual value back-end costs.
Our customers are getting a lot more savvy about having connected solutions right at their fingertips.
King offers our customers the availability to see any trailer in their fleet at any given time and get real-time data from that.
We have probably saved ourselves excess of probably $300,000 in cargo claims.
It's very important that if it needs to be at 33 degrees plus or minus a half, that's what we deliver.
This has got to work day in, day out, a practical tool in a tough environment.
We have designed a very robust, repeatable process.
I'm building control panels for RLF. It has to be perfect when it gets to the end, and that's what counts for a customer.
We use what we call standard work. Everybody follows it and buys in and works as a team.
The testing that we do at a very detailed level. We'll do it at the individual component level. We'll bring components together into a subsystem.
For the transportation industry, there are a lot of trends. You have electrifications, you have digitalization, and you have automation. We don't come up with any products that is not easier for our customers to use or to run and to maintain.
We spend a relentless amount of time focused on temperature control. And the other part of what we do is focused on comfort for people.
The biggest thing that's facing our customers right now are drivers. That's a big pain point.
Any new equipment we bring in has all Thermo King APU units. To keep our drivers happy, we need to have something that will give us hotel load in the truck.
Many of these tractors are home, so they need to know that they can depend upon the APU to do what it's intended to do.
That hotel load capability really helps improve the quality of life.
Uptime is real important.
My job is to keep our trucks up and running on the road. When I have to call Thermo King dealer, I know they care about our load as much as we do.
The Thermo King dealer network, something that is unique, something that is very, very difficult to replicate. Whenever they need our help, we're there. And you will find us basically everywhere across the globe.
The good thing about Thermo King dealerships is that we're all held to the same standards.
The service you will get from California to here or from New York to California is universal. Throughout the year, we have to do certifications to make sure all of our technicians are meeting or exceeding the expectations of Thermo King.
At a drop of a hat, I need to be able to have somebody here and know that they can fix my problem.
This is the best time to be at Thermo King. We're investing a lot in the years to come.
It's really an opportunity to reinvent our business.
We originated this industry in 1938.
Fred McKinley Jones, self-made, self-taught engineer.
What he designed was a mechanical refrigeration unit that was to be installed on a trailer.
And that started the transport refrigeration industry as a whole.
A lot of the culture of Thermo King engineering can trace that lineage right back to Mr. Jones. His innovative spirit, a customer focus, all that lives on here.
A significant amount of our time now is focusing on that long-term future, driven both by regulation and our own ability to innovate and create technology.
We're the experts, and our customers expect us to provide that solution for them.
If we do a great job and we can really help customers with great critical temperature control, they can get that ice cream to wherever that child is in the world, and we're doing something special. And that happens because of Thermo King.